your prior streams so that they're right here. If anyone missed them, you know, they paid for it, they missed it, all good. You can just send them your recording. And then under the people section, you're gonna just be able to see all your customers, your contacts, and if you click all, it'll filter to both of them in one. And then under scale, we're gonna see our analytics, our Vonza Cloud, our automations that we have set up, and sequences. So I'll show you how to set up a sequence real quick. You'll just click sequences, and then at the top right, you'll hit add sequence. So you'll be able to edit the first email that goes out right here. We'll just call it test email for now, and then the title, we'll just put test. So that's how you'll be able to edit those. And then this says that right there. Let's edit this as well so we can test run. All right, so we got test run gonna go all around there. Then we'll hit save. So now you can see, switch to test, the subject line, and then we can add another email or we can add one of our newsletters. So let's do a newsletter. So we'll do the test NL one right there. So now the newsletter will go out after the email, and then we can do another newsletter if we wanted. Let's say we wanted to do this one. We'll hit save, and then let's say we want to do an email after that, but we want to edit this email. Let's say test run. Let's see if I can copy paste this and make this go a little faster. Test run, and then we'll edit all that. Say you wanted to edit that, boom, then you would just hit save, and then you can publish this sequence, and then now go back to your sequences, just like that, and you'll be able to see your sequence. Now to set up an automation, same thing, we'll go over top right, hit add automation. Now we're gonna need to set our first trigger. We'll hit add trigger. Let's say that the user purchases a product, we'll hit that. Now we're gonna find one of our products after we hit select. Let's say the ultimate grilling guide. Now let's add an action. So let's say we'll give them access to a community, select a community. Let's do the powerlifting one. Then let's set a name for this automation. Let's call it test run. All right, and then we'll just hit publish. Now we have it saved right there. Let's do another one real quick. User purchases a product. Let's say they got that one. Add another automation. Let's give them access to a course, that for beginners, and then we'll hit add. And then now we have two automations set, and we can collapse them and we can see which one is what. You also can edit the name for each one of them, and then you can enable and disable each automation as you please. Having all these tools in one convenient spot for you really allows you to just focus on what matters, and that's growing and scaling your business, not worrying about juggling a million different tools on a million different platforms, having to pay off 20 subscriptions every single month. If you believe Vonza can help you in any sort of way in growing, scaling, and hitting any goals you're trying to achieve within your digital business, book a 30-minute strategy call with me. We'll go over how Vonza can help you grow, hit all those goals you're trying to achieve, and reach real digital freedom. The link will be in my bio and in the comment of this video.